On this episode, I'm going to announce all the winners from my Bangin Gears Garage giveaway videos I filmed in Ocean City, Maryland last week during Endless Summer Cruising. So stick around. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Frank the Tank from Bangin Gears Garage from YouTube, Facebook, and on Instagram. And in this episode, we announce all the winners from my giveaway videos in Ocean City, Maryland, like I said. But before I do so, I want to thank a couple of people. I want to thank Jacqueline and Meredith from the Cruisin Ocean City and Endless Summer Cruising car shows. They've given me tremendous support and allowing me to put Bangin Gears merch in the goodie bags to share with you guys and help promote my channel. And in returning the favor, I've made them new videos to put on during the pre-show party and the secrets. So if you haven't seen those videos, go to the pre-show party in May after the R&M show in the Secrets parking lot. Go over to Marley Hall, enjoy some drinks, get some food, watch the video on all the screens, and maybe you're in it. I also want to thank the Twisted Rods Car Club of Maryland crew. They allow me every year to give out a Bangin Gears Top Choice trophy during their show at the Pit and Pub North Side, and they've been very supportive of my channel. Hopefully I've returned that favor back to you, and you know, we have a good relationship and I don't take it for granted. So I love you guys very much. All right, that being said, let's get in with the giveaways. Giveaway number 1 was for a Bangin Gears clock, like the one right here. Okay, good for your inside your trailer, inside your shop, in your garage. And so here we go. We'll spin it around. All the names. This one had 30 entries, and around and around it goes. And the winner is Ed Rubel 1980. Ed Rubel 1980, congratulations, you win the Bangin Gears clock. Okay, all the winners in this video can reach me right here at my email. Let me know you won, and we'll get it out to you as soon as possible. Video number 2 was for a Bangin Gears hat, just like this one right here. But you're going to get this one. This one's mine. All right, and video number 2 had 24 entries. And let's click this. Spin, baby, spin, baby, spin, spin, spin. Wesley Cater, congratulations. You're the winner of the Bangin Gears baseball cap. Pretty sure Wesley's won a couple of things before in previous videos. So I've been doing this for a while, so you get to see the same names over and over and over again. We had a couple of new names, but we definitely have the same people come back every 6 months in May and October and put their names in to win some Bangin Gears swag. Okay? Wesley, you can reach me at my email address. You know how this goes, and we'll get the hat out to you as soon as possible. All right. For those of you who don't win, before we carry on, and you want to get your own Bangin Gears swag, like the shirt I'm wearing right now, it's got the winged tire in the back. I'll put the link from my Teespring account. You can buy your own shirts right here at the bottom of the page. I'll also put a clickable link in the video description. Go out, check it out, see what you got. Men's, women's, sweatshirts, t-shirts, long sleeve tees, tank tops, hoodies, all that good stuff. Check it out. Got some cool designs hopefully you guys like. Video number 3 was also for a Bangin Gears baseball cap, just like this one right here. It's got Bangin Gears Garage in the back. That one also had 24 entries. So let's spin this right here. Round she goes, round she goes. And the winner is Lester Thompson, 4404. Lester Thompson, 4404. Congratulations, you're the winner of the Bangin Gears baseball cap. Video number 4 was also for a Bangin Gears clock. This had 25 entries, as you can see. And let's spin this right here. Last giveaway of the video. Last giveaway of the video. Here we go. And the winner is Dodge Centric 1965. Congratulations, Dodge Centric 1965. You're the winner of the Bangin Gears clock. Perfect for your shop, your garage, your trailer, your living room, wherever you want to put it. Congratulations to all the winners. Remember, you can reach me at my email address right here. Shoot me a message. We'll get everything out to you as soon as possible. I have everything in stock, so it should be within a couple of days. Okay? Thank you to all the people who keep coming back every 6 months and watching and playing and support the channel. I appreciate you very, very much. So, drive safe. Have a great off season, and we'll catch you right here next time on the Bangin Gears Garage.